What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
You are awesome. Hey guys, Coach Mel here from inside the Wreath Chateau in Damon's creative coaching group. We're going to make a quick Halloween wreath. We're going to work on this is not an evergreen base. This is a grapevine base. We're going to do all black greenery and glittery stuff. We're going to add a little bit of black and white mesh. Okay, so we are going to start. We have a grapevine base. It's 16 inches, okay? 16 inches. I went ahead of time, and I added black pipe cleaners just through the top here because look at all the black that we're using. We're using the black mesh, the black greenery, all the stuff, or, you know, whatever it's called. We'll call it greenery even though it's black. I pre-cut our mesh. It's the border mesh. I wanted to bring some of the white so it's not all white, or so that, excuse me, so it's not all black. I'm going to do what is it? A cruffle. Okay, we're going to curl it a little bit on one end. We're going to scrunch it. 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 And we're going to curl it a little bit on the other end. You guys, this is the easiest way I know how to do this. Okay, I curl it a little bit. I scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. I curl it on the other end. And then I pinch it nice and tight in the center. I'm going to make it so that the butterfly wings go like into the wreath instead of up this way and out. Okay. So I'm just going to do it there. We're not going to put a lot of mesh on it. You guys, this isn't the idea for this. I think I'm going to add this greenery first, or this stuff first, and then we'll add the sign, okay? And I'm just going to kind of put it in there. We're all going to go one way. Okay, we're going to go one way around. So we're going to go one way, and I'm leaving those pipe cleaners in there right now just because I'm not really sure what we're going to do with them. So I'm just going to go in between each of these, and I'm going to stick this in there. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. I'm just going to move these around. You guys, I did not put the mesh close to one another on purpose, okay? This isn't supposed to be a mesh wreath. It's supposed to be a little mesh, a little design, a little greenery, and look like a Halloween fun wreath. Okay, so there's going to be just a lot of stuff in here. Oops. That is stinking cute. Actually, let me see where we're at. I'm going to put them on the side. So this sign is pretty thick. So I'm not worried about it going through this at all, okay? It's pretty thick, so I don't have to build it up or any of that stuff, okay? I only need two. I'm going to weevil this in here. So I'm just going to work it in here. So it's going to go right through part of it. I want it to still kind of look like it's part of. I don't want everything kind of squished in there so you can't see anything. I don't want it to look like the sign is floating on top, right? We want it to look like it's part of. And the bow is going to go right here. So I think we're really good with this. 17 inches. 6 inches is going to be our deal. I'm putting this behind the bow because it helps to give it a little oomph. So I just did 2 loops, and I'm actually not going to put this in this part. We're going to put it separate. We're going to start with the gray. So these tails were 17 inches, 6 inches on the loop. I'm going to pinch. I like to, I'm making hand bows, so I have really bad carpal tunnel. So I use hands and easy bow to help me do both, okay? I've done hand bows from the very beginning. So doing hand bows and then switching to the easy bow maker was tricky. So we're going to take this black skull. We're going to put it next. Okay, I'm going to put 1 in the center. So we did 2 here. Our next layer is going to be 1. Okay, making it a little smaller than the last one. I love the white that's bringing it in here. We're going to do 2 loops, measuring. My sign says, if you've got it, haunt it. If you've got it, haunt it. So I like to mix things from all over the place. So I'm not necessarily saying, you know, Okay, all the ribbon in this bow has to come from one place. I'm not doing that, but I like to just mix and match it with the colors and the patterns and to make sure that all goes, you know, nothing's going kind of rogue and it's all, everything's kind of on palette. I love doing just one loop in the center. Okay. Okay, one loop in the center. Okay, here we go. I'm going to crisscross, marry it, twist it, and marry the rest. I just want to make my one pipe cleaner longer so that I have more ways. Okay, I'm going to lift this up really careful, pinch it tight really careful. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner, wrap it around, and I am going to squish it. I'm going to squish it and it's okay. The see-through, like the mesh kind of, the mesh ribbon. So we're going to add that underneath right down here just to kind of give it an extra little volume. If you haven't heard Damon say this yet, because I learned it from Damon, bows sell wreaths. Guys, okay, these came from Michael's. They were $5.99 in the Halloween section. And we are just going to go and sprinkle them around here and there and everywhere. Okay. Literally just grab some glue, stick them in. I'm going to go in between. Okay. So I'm going to go with just a little bow here and a little bow there. You guys, I'm just going to put these little bows all over the place, I decided, because it looks cute. I like that dimension. I like how it fills it. I like the skulls. I like the ribbon that's the heavy on the black, but it has a little bit of the silvery stuff kind of going through it with the skull. I like that. So I'm just going to put those all the way through. I'm just going to cut the ends of the ribbon. All right, y'all. Okay, melsbowchallenge.com. I expect to see y'all there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon.